Hi, if you wanted to make glow effect just like this, then simply open up your Photoshop. Now go here and select bright and contrast, then decrease the brightness and increase the contrast according to your image. Then select the pen tool and then start making selection of your shoes. When it's done, then select the brush, increase the hardness and make the size of brush up to 10 pixels. And make sure that the flow is 100%. Now again select the pen tool and hit the right click, go to the stroke path and select the brush here. Then click on OK. Now make a new layer, then select the brush, increase the size of it and make the flow about 4% and start clicking around the shoes. This is it guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and I'm here to upload this type of content daily, so subscribe this channel to watch more Photoshop tips and hacks, and help me by sharing this video with others. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching.